Assalamualaikum. Ini revision you untuk chapter correlation and regression. And untuk chapter ni, kita kena pandai buat scatter plot. And you need to draw the scatter plot. Plot dia memang dot. Tak ada line, tak perlu nak gariskan macam ni. Tak perlu. Okay. Based on the scatter plot, okay, make sure plot you tu ada title, label and label untuk dapatkan markah penuh. And daripada scatter plot, apa yang kita boleh lihat adalah direction ataupun positive or negative correlation. If the pattern is moving upward ke atas macam ni, this is positive correlation. Kalau dia punya dot tu ke bawah macam ni, this one is negative correlation. And another one in this correlation is you need to calculate the correlation value R. You need to calculate based on this formula. So because you need to calculate using the formula, you need to have the sum of xy, sum of x, sum of y, sum of x squared, sum of y squared. So all of these value you can do manually by creating this table x, y, and then you have to add 3 columns here, x kuasa 2, y kuasa 2, and xy. And what we need is the sum of each column. Okay, this is for manual calculation. Okay, for those who are familiar with the calculator function, you can have this answer by using this. Okay, and to key in data, make sure you tekan ni mode regression linear, and then make sure you key in mesti x dulu baru y, kalau tak nanti jawapan you terbalik. Okay, and maknanya you kena tahu dependent variable dia apa, independent variable dia apa. Okay, and untuk dapatkan summation ni semua ni, okay, this is from shift 1. Okay, untuk dapatkan answer, you boleh dapatkan shift 2. So basically, if you are using your calculator, possibility untuk salah tu kurang lah, and masa untuk you jawab pun lebih cepat. You boleh cross check 3 kali lah kalau you tak confident dengan jawapan yang you dapat. Okay, so basically how to answer this calculation question, mesti ada 3 step. First, you have to copy the formula given in the final exam question, and then 2, you need to, this one is your mark here, you need to write again xy macam ni kan, 187.83 tolak bla 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 semua ni. You have to fill up this number 2, this is your marks here, because we will mark this one's correct, this one is correct, this one is correct. Here is your answer. If you skip this part, number 2, if you skip this, you have the right answer, but your mark will be 1/5 maybe. Okay, because this is your mark here. And based on the correlation coefficient here, you have 2 explanation of the correlation. Okay, positive and negative determine here, and the value 0.9 indicates strong positive correlation. So for those who have memorized this theory, the strength, this one is strength of R. 0 to 1 divide by half. Okay, so here is weak. Okay, and for the strong part here, we divide into 2.75 7.5. So the right hand side here is the strong. Okay, this one we call is moderately strong. Okay, so 0.9 is a positive strong correlation between X and Y. Okay, and from the correlation, you will be asked for the regression equation, and formula will be given in the final exam. Question. Okay, again, you have this the same data, the same summation, and getting answer from shift 2. Okay, and again, the way you answer the question is by 3 steps. Yeah, the first step is to copy the formula given. Number 2 is to fill up the summation for each one of this. Okay, and the answer. There are 3 steps to answer the question, and you will get the slope. Okay, B is slope. This one we call it as slope, and you get A, we call it as intercept, and this one you need to write again, because this is the regression, this one is the regression equation. Okay, this one is the regression equation. So biasanya student tak salin semula y equals to 1.4 plus 0.09x. So hilang markah di sini. Okay, how to comment the intercept? Intercept ialah A. So when x is 0, y is 1.4. Okay, slope ialah B. Slope when x increase 1, slope when x increase 1, y increase or decrease by B. Okay, alright. So increase or decrease depends on this one, depends on this. If positive, if tambah, maknanya increase. Kalau 1.4 minus, means this one is decrease. Okay. Okay, ini untuk ini kan, ni lah when x is 0, y is A. Okay, estimation. Okay, make sure you have to very careful with the unit. Okay, this one, predict number of order with 50,000 hits per month. Actually, kita kena refer balik data yang diberi. Okay, oleh kerana data ni semua adalah hits ni dalam ribu, tapi dalam jadual dia tak letakkan ribu dekat dalam setiap satu ni. So bila dapat soalan estimation, actually 50,000 ni bila kita masukkan kat dalam formula, kita kena letak dia 50. Ni common mistake sebab student akan terus masukkan 50,000 dalam ni. Ni salah. Okay, you kena masukkan 50 saja. Okay, so untuk siapa yang jawab macam ni kan, 6.0 ini betul tapi tak ada unit. Okay, kalau you letak order, letak unit dia, maknanya you kena masukkan dia dalam bentuk ribu. So jadi 6032 order. Okay, another one is R squared. Yang ini penting kena tahu nama dia. Ini adalah coefficient of determination. Determination. Ini ramai yang tak tahu nama lah. R squared adalah coefficient of determination. So R kuasa 2 and comment dia adalah 94.53% of variation in Y is explained by X. Ni tak boleh terbalik . Okay,